My name is Simo, and I'm here to present FEUER. FEUER is a health and safety monitoring system for firefighters. While firefighters are deployed, they face many risks, such as being exposed to smoke, toxic gases, or actual fire. Firefighters have no way to know what's happening in real time, and they lack an infrastructure to act on these events. FEUER is a hardware and software solution that help fire chiefs to make more effective decisions while being in the field. We developed a small IoT device. It takes real-time sensor readings from environmental phenomenon, such as temperature, pressure, humidity, carbon monoxide, or any other toxic gases. We also have a fire detection camera that can map heat maps in real time on where fire is at the current moment. All this data is sent offline or online to our FEUERMAP solution, where you can see your personnel in real time and get a grip on what's happening during a deployment. Quick rundown of our solution. We're going to start with our hardware. Our hardware consists of a small, cheap, and easy to use IoT device. It has multiple sensor readings to push real-time data to the cloud, as well as our camera fire detection system that you can put on a drone or any other gear to get a live heat map of where a fire might be when you're being deployed. When you access our platform, you can first see all your personnel currently wearing an active device. You can get a quick sense of the latest info collected and an overview of where your personnel is at the current moment. You can go into the firefighter's profile and get its active status from the device they're wearing. Our mapping feature provides a 3D mapping tool that pulls live GPS data from the IoT device on the firefighter. You can even look inside buildings and track firefighters in their exact moment. You can get their latest readings and info by clicking on them. But why do you want to use FEUER? It's user-friendly, super easy to use, and touch screen compatible. We give actual live data by using a webhook, pulling our data in from our MQTT server. We have multiple data integrations or plugins you can create, or you can pull your own data and import it into your own disaster management system. We also provide highly accurate 3D mapping that you can actually use while being inside or outside. We have a diverse technology stack. Our FEUER IoT device can leverage LoRa, LTE, or Wi-Fi communications to get active sensor readings into a cloud. This provides an online and offline solution. In partnership with Luxonis, we built a fire detection system that can be leveraged on drones or buildings, and that data is getting pushed over Wi-Fi into our Watson IoT system. All this data is being collected into our database, which is getting pushed real-time into our front-end server, where we leverage multiple Google Maps APIs, Chart.js libraries. With our product, we target a huge market. All around the world, we can find firefighters. In the United States alone, we can already target 1.8 million firefighters, and in Germany, it's over 1.3. This shows the broad application of our product. To make money to grow, we're going to sell our IoT device for $100 per device. This is a very cost-effective solution compared to other systems out there. And our solution is only a dime compared to the full expensive gear that firefighters are wearing. We will also charge a $20 fee per active device on our cloud platform. 5 days ago, we were completely strangers to each other, but within the last couple of days, we got together and went from a concept to a full-grown product. This is because I think of our diverse skill set. We have different perspectives and all bring something valuable to the table. We bring FEUER to the next level. We're going to improve our manufacturing process and bring even more features to our dashboard. I want to thank you all for your time today. I'm looking forward to collaborating with all of you. Thank you.